Network security best practices. Fortify your defenses. In an era where cyber threats loom large, ensuring your network security is non-negotiable. Today's workshop equips IT professionals with cutting-edge best practices to shield against unauthorized access, data breaches, and evolving security threats. Prepare to engage, learn, and empower your organization's defenses like never before. Cyber attacks are increasingly sophisticated, targeting vulnerabilities in every sector. IT professionals must remain vigilant, anticipating threats before they strike. By understanding the current threat landscape, you can preemptively fortify your defenses, protecting valuable data and infrastructure from relentless cyber adversaries. Encryption is pivotal in safeguarding sensitive data from prying eyes. We'll explore advanced methods, ensuring your data remains unintelligible to unauthorized users. Incorporating encryption across all levels of your network not only protects information, but also builds trust with clients and stakeholders. Multi-factor authentication is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. By requiring multiple authentication methods, you drastically reduce the risk of unauthorized usage. Strengthening access controls adds a robust layer of security, safeguarding your network from potential breaches. Consistent security audits identify weaknesses and keep your defenses updated. Audits should be an integral part of your security strategy, ensuring readiness against new vulnerabilities. By routinely assessing your security posture, your organization stands prepared to tackle emerging threats head-on. A well-crafted incident response plan is crucial for minimizing the impact of security breaches. This plan should outline clear actions for containment, eradication, and recovery. Rapid, efficient response strategies can significantly mitigate damage, saving both time and resources when threats arise. Detecting threats before they escalate is critical. Intrusion detection systems, IDS, monitor network traffic for suspicious activity. By deploying IDS, you gain real-time insights into potential threats, allowing for swift intervention and reinforcing your network's security posture. A security-aware culture amplifies your defense strategy as every employee becomes a line of defense. Regular training and awareness programs equip your team to recognize and thwart phishing attempts and other malicious activities, bolstering your organizational security from within. To conclude, mastering these network security best practices is vital for IT professionals committed to safeguarding their organizations. Implement these strategies to fortify your defenses, ensuring data integrity and operational resilience. Join us in championing cyber vigilance. Your first step towards a secure future is just one click away.